All right, so you've had a chance to try these examples on your own. Great. Let's see how you did. All right, so we already have this disjunction in example 1 written in its simplest form, so we don't need to rewrite it at all. All right, so we have s is less than or equal to 4, and s is greater than 7. Well, let's take a look at this first part. S is less than or equal to 4. Well, we're going to have to define 4, right? So let's say 4 is right here. And we're also going to have to define 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7 is right here. All right. And when it says s is less than or equal to 4, that's going to be an closed dot because s could equal 4. For our dot for the 7, it's going to be open because s cannot equal 7. All right, now back to this one right here. S is less than or equal to 4, so that means we're looking at the numbers that are less than 4, which is to the left of 4. So we are going to go ahead and draw our line. There we go. Over on this side, s is greater than 7, which is on the right side. And there we have it. For question 2, we have a conjunction, and it is written in its simplest form, just like this one right here that we had. So let's get going. The first thing it says is that m is greater, or negative 4 is less than or equal to m. So I know we're dealing with a closed dot. And if the closed dot's going to go right on negative 4, so we're going to have to define negative 4 on our number line. So let's put it right here. I'll put it actually right here to make sure I have enough room. So negative 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 will go here. All right. Now we're going to place our closed dot directly on negative 4, and then we have a second closed dot because right here m is less than or equal to positive 4. All right, so now m is greater than negative 4, so that means I'm drawing to the left side, or to the right of negative 4. But m is also less than or equal to positive 4, which means I'm going to be drawing to the left side of the other dot, and oh, so really I'm just going to have to connect the two dots. All right, and here we go. Perfect. For our last problem, we have another conjunction. And I'm going to type the answers here instead of try to make you suffer through having to watch me do this. All right, so what are we going to do? Start by drawing my little picket fence. All right, so what are we going to do to get the m by itself? Well, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So minus 3, minus 3, and that is going to give us negative 8, because negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. And we have the less than symbol, and we still have our m. Okay, that was pretty quick, not too bad. Will we use an open or closed dot? Well, it can't equal, therefore it is an open dot. I'll put that at negative 8. And I'm going to have to define negative 8 right here. All right, now moving on to the orange equation. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 3, just like I did in the previous side, minus 3. And that's going to leave us with m. I'm going to drag the sign in a moment. And 1 minus 3 is negative 2. All right, and the sign is going to remain the same, so I'm going to take that sign and duplicate it, maybe. There we go. All right, so this is going to require us to have a closed dot because it could equal. And let's find where -2 is. So we have -8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, -2 is right here. So I'm going to define this dot here as -2. And place the closed dot directly on top of it. Now m is greater than -8, which means it's between here, okay. And so we connect the dots. Now we're not quite done. The last piece is, let's write a mathematical sentence showing what we have here. And so we have -8 is less than m, which is less than or equal to -2. And again, I'm going to duplicate this symbol, slide it in right here, and so there we go. So our complete answer for example 3 is right here, the drawing as well as this statement here. All right, here are your problems. Not 3 through, I believe it's 3 through 24. Let's change that right now. Multiples of 3. So there you go. All right, have fun. It's not too many problems.